How to remove collaborators from Google Drive. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove collaborators from Google Drive. Now, if you gave access to your Google Drive file to someone by sharing a link or providing them access, and now you want to remove them or cut out their access, then here is how you can do so easily. First, you want to open up Google Drive, and then you want to locate a particular file that you have shared and you want to remove collaborator from. Now, once you do so, here you can see I only have two files. So you want to tap on the three dots beside the particular file that you wish to remove collaborator from. Once you tap on three dots, a pop-up will appear and you can see the second option there that says manage access. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see who can access your file. In my case, it's only me and the other one account here. That's my second account. Now, you can see editor there. So what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular collaborator or the user. Once you tap on it, you'll get four different options, and at the very bottom you can see remove. If you want to set them as viewer, that they'll only be able to view it, then you can set it to viewer. If you can set it as commenter, you can set it as commenter, or you can, if you have kept it as editor, you can, or you set it as viewer before, you can set them as editor. Now if you wish to remove them, then you can simply tap on remove and then they'll be removed. You can see it's updating and it'll be removed. So this way you can remove collaborators from your Google Drive file. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.